Back out on the driveway. Here's what we're going to do today. We're going to put an air duct on our PTU on our Explorer. We got this air duct from a guy we met on Facebook. It's out of a 2013. We're putting it into 2016. We're going to show you how to do it, show you how to put the Ford clips in. We're using all OEM parts. All right, we've already got it jacked up. You can kind of see how it's leaning. Let me show you how I jack it up. No floor jack, no jack stands, but safe. All right, so stay tuned, like and subscribe. You won't miss anything. Here's how I jack up my Explorer. All I do is make a stack of wood and drive her up. She's parked on there. No worries here about that falling down. No tools needed, easy to do. Here's the part we're going to put in. That's the air duct number we're using. And these are the clips we purchased to go with it. Now this air duct is slightly modified. You can see it's been ground on right here. Normally your air duct won't be like that. This air duct is like that because of this brush grill right here. The gentleman I got this part from also had a brush grill, and he modified that so it would fit. Well, let's see how we put the clips in. Here's a clip. You can see how that goes. It's going to go up through the hole, and this is going to snap in and it's going to latch in there. And then this goes exactly how that works right there. One twist and lock. Okay, we got this tool to push it up. Here's where it goes. So we're looking at this slot in this thing, and we're seeing that the way but we believe this would go in would be either this way or this way. Doesn't appear it's going to make a difference where it's at. So push it up like this and in like that. Looks like that's got it. Doesn't look like these are hard to put in at all. Boy, those are really pretty easy. There's the hard one way back there. See that hole? It's a hole, right? Right, I believe. Not sure you can see it. See the hole right here? That's a hole right there. Looks like it goes this way. Nope, it goes this way. Yep. And you can come in here with the tool and just kind of tap it. Make sure it's home. There you go. Now we're going to bring the duct under. Duct comes under like this. I think we're good. Have to turn this a little bit to see. That's good. Come back. See that one right here? That's tight. Ain't going anywhere. One more here. Get that lined up. All right. As you can see, this duct is going to generate airflow up to the PTU there. See how that fitting goes in there? And it's right under the PTU. So we're going to send air to the PTU with this duct. Okay, there's the front of the air duct. You can see how it goes back that way. Directs air up around the motor and up on the transfer case, also known as the PTU. Well, let's see how she does. Okay, this part came in packages of 4. We bought the 4. We are going to put the other one in the glove box in case when we get service, one gets lost somehow. All right, back in the garage. Worked good. No rattles, no shakes, no whistles, all the way up to 70 miles an hour. Hey, she's all cleaned up, ready to go tomorrow. We'll be driving her, and we'll see how she does. We won't know if we're changing the temperature of the PTU or not. But hey, like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. Post notifications on so you don't miss anything. Catch you in the next video.